Boys and girls, art and craft. I'm a visual art grade 7. Today, I want to take you through a practical concerning your task, which was making a necklace using beadwork technique inspired by Kacha. Remember, you are supposed to make a necklace using found objects as you are instructed. And this necklace was to be used in a cultural showcase event whereby it was supposed to be used as one of the costume which was to be worn in that an indigenous song. Now, boys and girls, in this exercise, I want to demonstrate what kind of materials you are going to use. Number one, you need mine. I'll make my necklace will be based on rolled paper. I roll paper, and therefore, to roll my beads from rolled paper, I have this paper with me. See, it is colored, and also I have another one here. So I'm going to use two types of. I'm going to use only two colors to make my rolled paper beads. This one and this one. And then also after that, I'll also need glue. This is a stick glue to stick my rolled beads together, my rolled paper together. I also need a string to string my beads after I finish rolling the papers. Now, if I'm using a white paper like this one, I can give it color depending on how many types of colors I want. And with me here, I have these crayons. I can color so that now I can make any color that I want. If I want this color, I have this one. If I want the yellow, I have this one. So you also need colors. I also need a scissors to cut my paper here so that I can to cut properly. So that now to cut it properly like this, just look at this one to cut properly, and you cut straight, cut like this. I want to make a rolled peppers beads. So I cut several of these. Boys, I'm left-handed, don't worry. I cut like this. Now you take your glue. Let me have the glue here. Take the glue. Then this side, which is now protruding out, this is where I'm going to apply. Now, before you apply the glue, you check, because you want this one to be the outside. You need to roll it like this, like this. The cameraman is here watching. You roll it like this. Very good, very good. Then from there, now you apply now the glue like this. The stick glue, the one I have said, you apply it like this. Plenty of it so that it can stick. You can even apply this other side like this. You apply nicely, take your time. And then from there now, you put the two edges together like this. Once you are sure they have stuck, you can now go ahead and remove your crayon like that, and then you remain. This one is too large for a one bead, so you can still cut it shorter into two like this, boys, like that. Cut it nicely like that. Once you cut, and make sure that it sticks properly. You can even, if you find that it's not sticking properly, you can still add some more glue. You stick it. Make sure that it is stuck like this. Make sure that it is stuck like that. Then put it there. And this other one, also put it in the right shape. And then you also do that. I've finished those orange bits. Now, when you come to this one, also take the same crayon. Also put it there. If you find the paper is too large, you can also shorten it. You can cut it to make it shorter. Now you take the same what. And this seems to be, you roll again. You find it is too small. This, yeah, that's nice. But now remember always, you roll it when the colors are outside like this. Once you do that, you now cut using a pair of scissors as usual, using my left hand. You cut like that. Then after cutting now, boys and girls, put it down nicely like that, very slowly and sure when you are not in a hurry. Apply glue as usual, plenty of it, and then continue with the process like that. Once you are sure it has somehow stuck, remove, and now using your the assistance of fingers, make sure that now the papers stick together, and then you roll it. And when you find that it's not sticking nicely, like once again, put some more of the glue like this. When you are not in a hurry, put some more glue. I'm making my rolled paper bits very carefully. This work needs a lot of patience, so you need to do like that. So you can see I've already made quite a number of them. The blue ones are approaching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The orange ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm making some more. The orange ones. I need think that this way, just like that, and you push it like this. After the orange one, now you take this other one like this, you push it through like this, and then you push it like that, and you push them. You take now orange, blue, like this. You push it through like this. Very beautiful. Where are you? If you find it is not coming out, you can also make sure you use a pen to assist you very quickly. Take another one, push it like this through the hole like this, and push it to the center there. You continue, use orange there. Year 7, Hospital Hill, and I want to demonstrate and show exactly what you boys and girls you should have done. Remember, it's not a must that you could have used rolled papers. You could also have used other materials, but you make sure that those found materials they don't. Your necklace should not have more than should have at least a maximum of 4 different colors. But here I've used only 2 colors, and these are orange and blue. I continue with my process. Glue stay there. Finish with you. I take this one now. You see, I'm almost done. I'm almost through now. I continue fixing the beads to the thread. The way you are seeing. You see now something beautiful is coming up, boys and girls. I'm sure you are clapping for me wherever you are. Then you continue. It is so easy, so simple, and this is about when you force it again to go through. If it doesn't go through very easily, I also have my barrel pen there. I push it very quickly. It goes, and make sure that they don't come out to the other side here like this. They will remain. Then I'm remaining with only 2 beats. With only 2 beats like this, boys and girls. And here I push it again because now I want to move a bit faster. I push it again like this. And the last one is this orange, the orange bead like this. I make sure that you cut enough of the beads so that you don't quick fix one, you go back to putting another one. And here I have my beads stringed to the thread, and make sure that they are in between. From there now, if I want, I can still continue and fill to there, but that's how I want my necklace to appear. Then remember, the necklace must be functional. So you tie here, and nicely so that whereas you fix to your neck. Now this one will be used as what? As one of the costume during that showcase event of showing an indigenous Kenyan folk song. So this one, it has to be functional. Functional means what? It can be worn. And this one strictly is the necklace is for neck. So I can put it on here, there now, very nicely. And this is now my effort. So boys and girls, this was very nice. And then now you can now, as you dance your body, you are supposed now to dance when it is shaking. It is supposed to be doing like this, like that. Like that you dance. And then everybody will clap for you. Well done. See you next time. Now I want to show you a sample of what Year 7 East did. What kind of necklace they made. And I want to show you how they did those necklaces. These boys and girls, let me tell you parents, let me tell you Kenyans, let me tell you wherever you are watching, they did something, they did and they showed a lot of talent. And I want to demonstrate to you what some of these kids have done. And they have done us proud. Otherwise, enjoy the viewing of the pupils displayed artwork for Year 7. Here. So you can see some of the pieces done by Year 7. So some of these, can I go this side? So I want to show you some of this. I have sampled just a few for Year 7 East. Like this one now, you can see how it is. This is for a girl by the name Chandel Wambua 57 East. That one. Here there's another one also. Each one of them came up. Road papers. This one is Luan Sharif. You can see what she came up with. Another one here concerning the colors of the national anthem. How many? She has used a variety of colors, you know, and this is Chanel N. It is comprises of the colors of our national anthem. Then there is another very beautiful work from another one here. This one used what? This girl here. Is it a girl or a boy? Yes. This one is also the name is Samuel Eden, but you can see the creativity. These are straws, and she has used how many colors? You can count them. You can easily see. I can see yellow. I can see light blue. I can see reddish. And there's a lot of painting here. So this is a showcase to show that these learners. This is also the tubes. This is a straw also. This learner here by the name Elvis Presley also did something good. You can see this one. This is Year 7 East. And then there's another one here for another boy by another girl by the name Chandel Wadaya 7 East. Also, her necklace comprises of only 2 colors. And when you look at this, the papers were not. The papers originally was white. But this one was purely painting so that you can come up with this. This shows talent. Also, this one, also the papers. But when you look at it, the papers originally were not, this one was not red, this one was not black. This was a matter of painting so that it can be given this black color and also this white and also this red. So this is beautiful work. Here, another one here you can also enjoy. This one is from Jeremy Biriti. Also, this is, you can see what Jeremy Biriti did. And of course, I appreciated this kind of work. And so many others. And so many. You look around, you can also see the work of this Yvonne. This kind of work Yvonne did. Here, you can see this Yvonne, Jerry. And also there's another one here. Each one of them came up with a different piece of work because we all don't think the same. This is Muhsin Habdi, and you can see the kind of work. And so many and so on. So in our next lesson, I'll be showing you the remaining showcase of necklace, because time for now I beg to stop there. So next time, kindly follow me, please, so that now you can see the remaining part of necklaces that I have not shown you live and direct. From me, it is Mwangangi Philip, Mafunzo New Curriculum from Hospital Hill. Wherever you are viewing me, whether it is East and Central Africa, I wish to tell you bye for now. Guys, I love you. Bye.